Welcome back, Cryptomaniacs. You know, this is the channel where you get the best points on how to become a supreme cryptomaniac. And for today, cryptomaniacism, or how do you call it, or how I call it, we're gonna check Vertcoin and ADA, aka Cardano, or Cardano, aka ADA. And I made some technical research for Vertcoin, and I drew some support and resistance lines. And right now, this hour, we touched this resistance line. You know, we are back under it. We are touching this. Now, I want also to add some Bollinger Bands, and RSI. Well, even the MACD. Oh, too many instruments. Alright. So I got the RSI that I can't take out because I dragged it too low. I don't know how to get it out. Just by closing it, maybe. Alright, let's modify this to 50-day average. Standard deviation, 2 deviations. So guys, we touched the second, we touched the third standard deviation, and now we are crumbling back down. And I would say to touch again this 50-day average price line. Now, it could follow. This is my random drawing. It could follow this path because we had a double candle, guys. This doesn't look like now I'm 30 minutes, but if I go back to 4 hours, this was actually a double candle. Alright, we don't have a double candle here, but we have a double candle there. What double candle tell us mainly that when there is a double candle, it's a hard top touching resistance. Now, and usually you see it comes back down and forming this triangular pattern downwards. Well, because we had a double candle right there. Oh my god, sorry for my trading view inexperience. I'm using this site now for the third, fourth time. Yeah, we could be building up right now a downwards pattern. I could point out also this resistance, previous resistance that has turned into support. Now, it could actually come down. It could be crumbling down, touching resistance, going up and down, but then come back to this. This is just, guys, this is just children artwork, but it's correlated to cancel it. It's correlated to the technical analysis. Yeah, what we got from Vertcoin. If anybody knows of you, if there are some news coming out or conferences or something like that, please comment it down in the comment section so everybody knows about that. Okay, let's take this ugly drawings away. Now let's go back on a 30 minutes chart. Yeah, we see we are very struggling right now to get above this resistance line. This turned into, well, we tried to break it out twice, actually, twice. 3 times, sorry. 1, 2, and 3 times. And we are back under it. So, I personally am not invested in Vertcoin, and man oh man, I wish I would have bought it down here. It would be 5 times profit. Yeah, but in the meantime, because you guys are investors of it, I would tell you, like if you are a professional trader, you know what to do and when you know what to watch, like. But for beginners, you should watch. If we stay, this is another resistance support line right here. You see, candle touched it many times. Maybe also on the other side. Yeah, right here, right there, right here. So we are right now testing a support line. in the 30-minute chart. But because this is a double candle, it's more likely to go down. And if it's going down, we could be building up something like this pattern. Something like this, or even little less. Like, it doesn't have to be so steep. I don't know, maybe it will go up. It will touch. Like, it's very low information for now to make a quick analysis. But we can do anything. We can do everything. Okay, this well. This looks like a triangle. This looks like a triangle. This looks like a triangle. Like a good triangle. It could be that we break out in the next 2 hours. It could be that we break downwards, and if we break downwards, guys, we're gonna test some other resistances. Kind of this. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Possibly. But if it's not like this, it could be down like this and maybe up again, forming a new trend line like this. Like, I know you investors want to hear something like this, because that's promising. Now let's take this line away. Now imagine if the triangle was like this. I'll leave you with that. I don't make any price forecast, guys, or price prediction, because from my point of view, it's very difficult to make a price prediction. But I was just saying, watch in the next hours or so. It's now 7 p.m. at my time, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Watch in the next 5 or 6 hours if the price stays under, continues to break supports. Like this is a support right now. We can go and watch the 5-minute chart. Yeah, we can see, actually, at least in the 5-minute chart, that this is a support line and we are just bouncing back off of this. But you see, this trend line is quite much respected. So as soon as the triangle gets broken, let's take this line up. Go higher, come on. Let's take this line up. And let's go back and see in detail that we could be struggling here for the next 1 hour. Okay? And then we will see if it breaks out downwards. It may also break out upwards. No, I don't want it to segment. I'm sorry, guys. It takes a little long. Yeah, we could even do something like this and go straight back up and break the actual resistance. That is the peak one. This is the latest resistance touched. Alright. I hope I explained it well. If you guys have some advices, write it down in the comment section. Like, subscribe. Now let's get over to Cardano. Cardano. I set out of the triangle a couple of days ago when I made that analysis. I took this triangle right here. No, what was it? Yeah, it was this one. It was exactly this one. This is Cardano Bitcoin. Is not. This was Vertcoin USD. Now I can't find on TradingView against dollars, so I just took Bitcoin. Now this is a resistance support line, guys, and I told you exactly when it would cross out, when it would break out of this triangle. Maybe this thing a little higher. Right there. You see one big candle. It's gonna shoot straight up. Now, it was not implied that it would continue to go straight up. And I made this analysis around here. No, maybe around here. 8 o'clock of the 27th. Now it's the 33 days, and we sold this price action exactly when it broke out of the triangle. Now the strange thing is, it's that it's building another downtrend that's a little smoother, like that. And we had a low peak down there that could show us something like that. Alright, so if I go actually on Bittrex and see the order book, we can check out at the order book how many sell orders there are, and I can tell you the price as usual will struggle to go up. But this is the next, again, 3 days. So by 3 days this wall could be eaten up by the buy orders. Now the buy orders, 175, are more than 3 days ago. So if we continue to build up the buy wall, we hope many investors come to Cardano. I see it in the long term exploding at some point, because it's a real good platform. Make your due diligence for it and check out what Cardano actually is. I would make this trend line like that, so it touches almost every point, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, and this is the triangle for Cardano. Now it's not likely Cardano to go down, because it has already. That's why it's more likely. Like, I can also trace some resistance and support right here, but I wanted to make a short video actually. Now this could be a good resistance. Oh, this could be a good resistance. Another one could be right here, or a little lower. Right here, what do we have right there? Yeah, starting from here actually. We can go all the way down there. And then we have even smaller resistances like this one right there. Almost. And this one where we are touching right now. This one. That we are right now at the support line. Okay, we dipped under it, bloop, and came back over it. Now, bloop, bloop, bloop. What you're gonna see in trading paths is that it's always gonna shoot up to the moon, you know, and have this, well, always like lower highs and higher lows. But it wasn't like this. Like Cardano, is out since the 2nd of October, and it's not so much time to make actual technical analysis related to itself. It's more easy to go on my experience, you know, with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the other altcoins, and to say it could be kind of similar. And what I expect Cardano to do is maybe to have some movement like this, show us that it's bouncing on the trend line, and then break it right here and go up to the next support, have some like this, go back up, and maybe even burn it without even touching, and just going straight up and searching some new supports, resistance, sorry. Oh guys, I need to get used to these tools. I really need to get used to these tools. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and get you at the next price analysis or video like.